right, so this is the Gimkit website. Um, I just now logged on. I logged in through Google, so that's really nice. I'm not very familiar with it, but it kind of runs um, side by side with like Hoot and Blookit. So up here, you can just go to like search kits. Something I would use this for would be like multiplication. So you just search something, and then these are all your different pre-made Gim kits that you can pick from. Usually, I just pick one of the top ones because it's usually the most used. It goes through and it has basically every single multiplication fact up until 13s. So what you would do is you go down here and you press play. And this is the fun part, right? So here you have a bunch of different game styles. So you can do capture the flag, you can play tag, you can do classic, you can do teams. I can't do teams with my classes because I only have max maybe like 5 kids at a time. But teams would be fun if you have larger classes. Popular picks. I'm not sure what Fishtopia is, but that looks really fun. This one I have seen in another classroom. So you click on the type of game that you want to play and it highlights it in yellow, and then you press continue up here. So this type of game has imposters and crewmates. So basically kids are playing against each other, answering multiplication questions while they're trying to find the number of imposters that you have embedded. So when the game starts, you can it tells you whether you're a crewmate or whether you're an imposter, and then you get power-ups the more questions you answer correctly. You can add, there's a bunch of different features. You can add music. You can take music off if you have students that get very overwhelmed by that. I always like the join late thing, just in case you have a kiddo in the bathroom. You don't have to wait for them and they don't miss out once they get back. Answer check is always nice. Allows the player to view correct answer. So, if they keep missing 6 times 6, it'll show them the answer. So hopefully at some point in time later on in the game, they'll get 6 times 6 and know that the answer is 36. I always use the nickname generator because you never want the students to know who they are, and I always have such small class sizes that I sometimes have kids that like to gang up on each other, so I always use the nickname generator. So from here, once you get all your settings going, you open it up, and this is what it looks like on the teacher side. So it's super easy. All your kids will go to gimkit.com/join, and this is their game code, right? For this, you do need 4 or more players. Unfortunately, you can't see the kids side, but it is really fun and it's super easy to get started, and they seem to really enjoy it. It was an English class that I had seen this played in, and they were reviewing a novel that they had just finished, and all the kids really seemed to like it. So super easy Gimkit. You can create your own. You can pick from ones that have already been made. Super interactive, super engaging, and kids really seem to like it.